Welcome to 20 Weeks Drive, a great 3-bedroom bricktown home with 2 washrooms situated within a family-minded neighbourhood of Central West Ajax. An interlocking walkway leads to the outdoor seating of a south-facing wood patio, and the exterior trims of the windows with this entryway coordinate with the colour of a front door, complete with a decorative glass insert and a fully glass-panelled storm door. Ceramic flooring flows throughout the main hallway and into the kitchen area, and finishing the open concept L-shaped entertaining spaces is beautifully maintained parquet hardwood flooring. The living room is quite generous in size and can accommodate multiple conversation areas or be combined with a family media room. Windows and glass sliding doors along the north wall allow abundant natural light into the room, and the walkout opens onto a large entertaining deck that overlooks a fully fenced and nicely sized backyard. The dining room has an aura of intimacy that is enhanced by the ambient glow of a classic chandelier. And this elegant entertaining space has direct access from the kitchen. A bright meal prep and family space with the freshness of a light color palette, the kitchen's breakfast area features wainscoting and a timeless light fixture, with added natural light spilling through its large window. The kitchen showcases the new updates of a quartz counter, a stainless steel double undermount sink, and an upgraded faucet, and also features pot lighting, ample cabinetry storage, fridge, oven with smooth surface cooktop, and built-in dishwasher, as well as a tiled backsplash that brings a touch of warmth to the kitchen with its earthy tone. Off the entrance foyer is a powder room, its tiled walls accented with a mosaic border. A laundry area with washer and dryer, as well as a cold room, are located in the unfinished lower level of this home, which currently offers great storage space but has exceptional potential for future development. And a coat closet is found off the base landing of a carpeted staircase with hardwood railing to the upper level. This level has beautiful hardwood floors throughout, a washroom, and 3 spacious bedrooms, with both the second and third bedrooms featuring southern exposures and large double closets. The 4-piece washroom features tiled finishes throughout, has a vanity with stone counter and undermount basin, as well as a bath area with sliding glass and mirrored shower doors, and is adjacent to the master bedroom. This graciously sized personal space features a ceiling fan, a north-facing window for diffused natural light, and 2 walk-in closets, and also has semi-private access to the washroom. Within a great family-oriented neighbourhood and a short walk to both Alexander Graham Bell Public and St. Patrick Catholic Elementary Schools. This home is minutes to the restaurants and boutique shops within historic Pickering Village, and enjoys proximity to many of Ajax's exceptional amenities, such as indoor and outdoor sports and fitness facilities, recreational and community centres, the Durham Centre Shopping Mall, Lake Ridge Health Ajax Pickering Hospital, the GO Station, as well as quick access to Highway 401, and Ajax's beautiful waterfront park with its over 7 kilometers of trails along Lake Ontario is also a short drive away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.